Hi friends. This is Satya Pappu from India. This article has been taken from Onpassive blog. How to make email your go-to tool for client communication. An email is a powerful tool for client communications that offers numerous benefits for businesses of all sizes. It provides a convenient and efficient way to communicate with clients, whether it's for sales, customer service, or general updates. Here is the latest Omail, an advanced emailing tool designed to simplify and streamline client communication for businesses. With its user-friendly interface, customizable templates, and extensive features, Omail offers a comprehensive solution for all communication needs. Reasons to use Omail for client communications. Professionalism. Email offers a formal and professional mode of communication that is widely accepted in business settings. It allows you to present yourself and your brand in a polished and organized manner, enhancing your overall professionalism. Documentation. Email provides a written record of all communications, creating a paper trail that can be referred to in case of disputes or misunderstandings. This can be crucial for maintaining transparency and accountability in your client interactions. Reach. Email allows you to communicate with clients globally, regardless of their location or time zone. It enables you to connect with clients at their convenience, making it a flexible option for client communications. Cost-effective. Compared to traditional methods such as phone calls or in-person meetings, email is a cost-effective way to communicate with clients. It eliminates the need for expensive phone bills or travel expenses, saving your business money in the long run. Automation. Email allows for the automation of client communications through autoresponders, which can be used to send out regular updates, newsletters, or other important information. This helps streamline your client communications and ensures consistent messaging. Flexibility. Email allows you to communicate with clients on your terms and draft and review messages at your convenience before sending them out. It also allows clients to respond at their own pace, reducing the need for real-time communication. Why use email? Email is an effective way to communicate with clients. It allows you to share important information promptly and effectively, increasing the likelihood that your client will respond positively. When it comes down to it, email is easy for you as a business owner or marketer. You don't need any special skills or knowledge of technology, all you need is access, and perhaps some patience. There's no cost associated with sending emails via your computer or smartphone, other than whatever data plan you're on. If this sounds good, then take advantage of this free resource. How to effectively use email for client communications. There are several ways you can use email to communicate with your clients. The tone you choose will depend on the situation and how comfortable they feel in your company, but some general rules apply across all situations. Use a friendly tone when communicating with new clients. This helps establish rapport and creates an environment where people feel comfortable discussing their needs or problems. Use a professional tone when communicating with existing clients or those who have been referred by friends or family members who know each other well enough that they trust one another enough not just talk over each other during meetings but also actually listen intently at times when one person speaks up, especially if it is something interesting, like say reading some financial news. But don't forget, even though we're talking about working together here, remember this isn't always going to be easy, so don't expect everything always goes smoothly. Email allows for more personalization than other forms of communication, such as phone calls or text messages. This means that your email will be more likely to engage the person receiving it, which can help them feel like they know you better as an individual rather than just another faceless business owner or employee. In addition to being great for communicating with clients directly, as opposed to using social media, email is also useful for sharing important updates about projects or events that may require some planning on your part before they happen so everyone understands what's going on without having access beforehand. Conclusion. I hope you found this post helpful. As we've seen, email can be a great tool for your business if you use it effectively and understand its limitations. Having an inbox full of unread messages will not help you build relationships with clients or build trust with them, and that's why communication via email should be an important part of your marketing strategy. Register now. For free. Registered users will receive instant access to Omail, Onet and Otrim through Onpassive ecosystem. You can enjoy the 14-day free trial for OConnect, a video conferencing tool from Onpassive. Join us. Thank you. Yours Satya Pappu.